Hello, my name is Sharon Arrow. Today we are going to look at Padlet and its main uses at Charles Sturt University. This site is similar to your subject sites, however Padlet is the only content area displayed. We will click into the area and you can see the Padlet walls that I have created for this demonstration. We are viewing this in student preview mode. That means that the organisation panel of your Interact 2 site is not visible to your students. The first format we will discuss is the Padlet wall. This activity can be synchronous or asynchronous, so it could be used in your face-to-face classes as well as online. Padlet walls build a supported student community. They help facilitate student learning where your students are actively engaged in their own learning journey. The Padlet wall and map format create a basis for the building of that community. The second format we see here is the Canvas format. Once the introduction and connection between your subject community has been forged, the Canvas format is a good one to use to engage in activities where students are able to post their thoughts and ideas, comment on students' ideas, and then link them together. The third format we see is the shelf format. You might post a question that relates to your topic and ask your students to comment, perhaps using this format as a scaffolding exercise for future assessment tasks. Padlet is not a tool used at CSU for assessment. You would use a journal or discussion board within the Interact 2 platform for your assessment purposes. To create a Padlet wall, you will find an extensive step-by-step instruction in the recommendation section of this PDF. Thank you for listening today. I hope this has been helpful.